In this video, I'm going to show you quickly way on how you can place your order on 1688 Pinduoduo step-by-step tutorial. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yako. I'm a procurement agent, importer, and importation coach. If you want to contact me for importation business, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can quickly place your order on 1688 and Pinduoduo step-by-step tutorial. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is to head over to my 1688 app. So I'm going to click on my 1688 app right here. Once it opens up, you can search for product by type search or use image search for the product. Once you search your product, you add the product to cart. So if you don't know how to add a product to cart, you can check the video on my channel. I have made video about how you can add a product to cart. So after successful adding the product to cart, next thing you want to do is to visit your cart by clicking on here to access your cart. Boom. So it's going to take you right here. So this is the product I'm going to make a purchase right now. So the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to select all the products. So having select all the product, next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. Alright, so it's taken me to the preview, so I can easily scroll down. You can see this product right here. So I'm paying 25 yuan, 25.60 yuan to purchase this product. Okay. So I have to click on here to pay. And at this point here, I have to click on this blue bar to make the payment. Then right here, I have to enter my payment password. Once I enter my payment password, the payment is going to be successful. You can see right here. So we can easily go back to the page, to my 1688 page. By the time we go back to your 1688 cart, is going to be empty. Then the next thing we're going to do is to access our profile. We have to click on here to be sure of the payments. So once your payment is done successful, the product is going to move right here. So I'm going to click on here to check out the product that we just paid for. So you can see the product right here has been successful, that we have successfully make a purchase on 1688. So this is how you can quickly place your order on 1688 step-by-step tutorial. So let's take a look at how you can place your order on Pinduoduo step-by-step tutorial. So let's check it out. Alright, so this is Pinduoduo app, one of the cheapest place to source for product from China, direct from manufacturer. For you to purchase on Pinduoduo app, it is also a very simple step. Just follow this video. The first thing you need to do is to add your product to cart. If you don't know how to add product to cart on Pinduoduo app, you can check the video on my channel. I've made a video on how you can add product to cart. So the next thing is to access your profile. So for you to access your profile, just click on here. All right. So having clicked on that, it takes you straight up to your profile. So when you get to your profile, so the next step you have to take is to click on here. Click on this place right here. All right, so the next thing you want to do is to select the product you want to purchase. Okay. And for you to do that, just tap on here, and the product will be automatically selected. So I want to buy this one right here. So I will just tap, and I will scroll down. I want to buy this. Then the price will be added. Then I want to buy this also. So I'm paying the sum of 27.26 yuan to purchase all these three products. So for me to make a payment, I have to click on here to proceed to payment. Then it take me to the preview. You can also scroll down and see the product preview. So one thing you need to make sure is that you make sure that your Alipay here is checked. So once you select your Alipay, you have to click on here to make the payment. Boom. It's as simple as that. Payment has been done successfully. So you can see the transaction alert at the top right here. Once your payment done successful, you can easily go back to your profile on Pinduoduo. So by the time you refresh your profile on Pinduoduo, the product is going to be moved right here. So you can see this is the one and this is the two. The remaining two products has been moving here. So right here it's already for shipment. So you're going to see the product that we just paid for right here. You can see this is the one, this is the second, and the third one is on the supplier approval for the payment right here. So let me show you. So the third one is here, right here. So by the time we click on here, you're going to see the third one we just paid for right here. So you can see this means that it is not yet approved by the supplier. So once everything was approved, then the product will move to shipment, and from there you get your goods. So this is how you can buy step by step from Pinduoduo and 1688 tutorial. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial about importation business. If you would like to contact me for importation business consultation, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.